video is going to be Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be Radha inspired Narayani makeup tutorial or makeup look. But before moving on to the video, I want to tell you guys that I'll be running a giveaway very soon on my channel, probably when I hit 2k subscribers. So I'm going to be running a giveaway. All you need to do to win that giveaway is you need to be a regular viewer of mine, and also you need to subscribe to my channel and do comment down below in all of my videos, and make sure that you have not commented twice or thrice in the same video. You need to comment down only once in a video, and also it needs to be appropriate. So I'm going to be picking a random winner who has commented in all of my videos and who is a regular viewer to my channel. So make sure you do that, and I don't know when it is going to be or what it is going to be, but yeah, it is going to be soon. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the video. But if you haven't followed me on my Instagram yet, then go follow me on my Instagram. I'll mention the handle on the screen right now. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. That my skin is looking very oily right now. I don't know why it is happening. I applied like a body lotion previously, so I think it is because of that. So firstly, I'll be moisturizing my skin and then moving on to the next steps. So I'm using a face moisturizer. I'm not gonna disclose the brand because if I tell you, it is going to be very funny. So I'm done applying the moisturizer. The next step is to priming my face. So I'm using this Color Bar Flawless Primer to prime my face. And guys, my golden colored mirror which I used to use for my videos, it is broken. I had kept it on the table yesterday and it fell off suddenly and it broke. So I'm gonna be using this mirror for my video, for this video today. I don't know when I'm gonna get a new mirror, but till then I'll be using this mirror itself. That mirror was so convenient to hold and everything. It was like a hand mirror, so it was very convenient. This is like I need to hold it like this, so it's not that convenient, but I need to work with what I have. And for foundation, I'll be using the OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And I'm using this flat brush to apply the foundation. So I'll be using this much amount of foundation on my neck right now. I know it's a lot, but I do what you guys say me to do. But now in order to blend this foundation, I'll be using this flat top kabuki brush. By the way, this brush is by Amazon, if you're wondering, and these are really good quality brushes. So I'm gonna make sure to link them in the description box for you guys. By the way guys, I visited my grandmother's place very recently, so I have got tanned a little bit, but that's okay. And also my grandmother's place vlog is gonna be coming up very soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And I'll be using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer to conceal my eyes. Next up, I'll be setting my face using a translucent powder. Now I'll be filling out my eyebrows using this dark brown bronzer and also using this flat shader brush. Now I'll be using a dried out mascara spoolie to brush my eyebrows. Now I'll be using the OG Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette for my eyeshadow, and I'll be using a random shade. I'll first be using this shade to do my crease work, and then I'll be using either this shade or this shade as my eyeshadow, and I'm using this round fluffy brush for my crease shadow. So I'm picking out this shade first and I'll be blending it out in my crease.
That's good.
Very light, not a lot is required. Now I'll be using this flat shader brush to apply the main shadow, and I'll be using this shade as my main shadow. And I'm using my finger to just blend it out a little bit. And I'm sorry guys, again I couldn't apply my nail paint. It is looking so awkward, but I'm really sorry for that. And I'll be using this eyebrow pencil by Swiss Beauty in the shade dark brown, and I'll be using this as a brown kajal to line my eyes, as well as use it in my lower lash line. And I'm applying the same in the lower lash line as well. And the next step is to apply mascara. First, I'll be curling my lashes using the Miniso eyelash curler. Now I'll be using the Calabar Lash Illusion Mascara. It has a dual-sided version. One is lengthening side, one is volumizing side. I'll be using the lengthening side. I'm done applying mascara and the eye makeup is complete for this eye only, so I'm gonna quickly do the same for this eye and come back. So I'm done doing the same to this eye as well. So let's move on to the rest of the base makeup. So I'm going to be using the LA Colors Highlight and Contour Palette for contouring my face. So I'm using the slightly angled flat brush for contouring my face. So now I'll be using this angled fluffy flat brush to contour my nose. Now I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette for blush. And as usual, I'll be picking this shade for the blush. And I'm using this fluffy blush brush for applying blush. Now I'll be using the same LA Colors highlighter and contour palette for highlighting my face, and I'll be using this flat fluffy brush for highlighting. Now that we are done with the base makeup, we need to apply a lipstick. In order to do that, I'm going to be using a Face Shop lip tint in the shade 01 Rose Pink. So I'm going to be using this lip tint as my lipstick. Done with my makeup. I think it's perfect. So now I need to wear my costume as well as all the jewelry. So I'm gonna see you after that.
RadheyKrishn.